Alright guys, so we found this secret little pond back here. Look at that. And we're gonna go fishing in it because I hear it's pretty good. So let's do some fishing. So I just went out and got a basic pole set up here. This is just an ugly stick, no big deal. And I got a Texas rig on here, just a worm. I got some other things in here, just in this bag. Got some rage tails. I need to check and use those. And I do have a bisty bug. There's no brush out here, but you know. Got some hooks, my multi-tool, and then that's it. That's all I come out here with. I don't need a whole tackle of stuff. Just trying to get started and see if I can catch some fish. Now I'm just gonna run a worm on this one. Got a weight on there, so let's see what we could do. And this is a spinning rod. This is a cheap rod. This thing's like 40 bucks or something. Let's go ahead and see if we can get some bass. Got out here a little late today, but I haven't been fishing in years. My buddy's like begging me to, you gotta get into fishing, you gotta get into fishing in Iowa. There's all these, spots I've been looking up on YouTube and did some research and started getting into it. And now here I am. And so, just like anything else, you can get overwhelmed with, gear, because I'm a gear junkie, so I love gear, all the things we need, tackle and lures and all the best poles and everything. Just like weightlifting, you get into the gym and you're like overthinking what you need for the gym. Protein shakes, this, that, the other thing, what workouts to do, watching millions of videos. But what it boils down to is just go to the gym. And just like what this boils down to, just grab a pole and go into the lake. And so that's what I'm doing. I didn't overcomplicate it, Just got a couple of things like I showed you, some worms, and go to Prairie Lakes, which is literally walking distance from here. 5 minutes, not even. So my house is right over there, about 10-minute walk. So just full areas to fish, and lots of content you guys can watch. And like I said, I'm a rookie at this, so this is new for me. Not scared to admit that. I have a long ways to go, watching a lot of videos, trying to learn, and I have a lot going on in my personal life right now. Because this thing with my ex-girlfriend isn't over. We got to go to trial. She wants to take it to trial, so I'm not pressing any charges, but the state needs me because she wants to go to trial. So now I have to give a testimony. And I just, I don't know what she's thinking, but, some of the things that I heard from the prosecutor that she's been saying is pretty disturbing, and it hit me pretty hard. So, oh, that was a bite. That was a bite, man. I missed it. Oh, so there it is. Yeah. Fucker. Alright. What we got? First one, guys. Chill out, buddy. Haha. Finally. Look at you. Oh man, that's a pretty fish. Hey. I have no idea how to do this. I got you, friend. I got you, friend. How do you get this thing out of here? Come here. Stop flipping around. Cool. That was awesome. Hell yeah. Holy shit, isn't that an adrenaline pump? Alright, I gotta do one more cast, right guys? One more. Maybe I should talk about my ex-girlfriend more, huh? Yeah, some of the things I've been hearing from, anyway, it just, I gotta go to trial, and it's not something I ever wanted to do. I never wanted to have to read the story I have to read in front of a jury and a judge, but man, that's what she wants to do. And I can't really say much more about it until it's over, but you guys will be hearing about this for sure. And you all on this channel, all my subscribers know how me and her were together. You've all seen us in the videos, you know, and it's heartbreaking that she's acting how she is, but that is what it is. What we're worried about now is catching another fish, because that was fucking awesome. That was cool. So they like the bugs. They like the bugs to move, man. Oh man. What kind? So I know the next pole I'm gonna get, or the pole I want to get, is a St. Croix. So that's the one I'm going with for my nicer pole. Thought about getting a Guggen Squad pole, the Gold Series. So maybe I'll get one of those too later. But I definitely want this St. Croix I saw at Shields, which is really nice. And it's a bait put a bait caster on there, and that thing is gonna be sweet. And then this can just be like, you know, a good pole to just have. Just throw it in the water, easy to learn. I think what my buddy was saying is, you know, a lot of YouTubers that fish were saying, you get a bait caster, you're gonna spend a lot of time trying to learn it, trying to figure out how it works. There we go. Got another one. Oh, you're serious. I got him, but the pole broke. The pole broke, and I got a big fucking fish. I got a big fish, and the pole broke. Wow. I had something, and this freaking thing just broke. Are you fucking kidding me? That just kills me, man. I want to fish again. timeout. That was awesome. I can get another one, I think. You can feel it. Now you know, you get the feeling of what it feels like when they're biting. You know? There's a big difference between when a fish bites and just the bottom of the bait and the lure and the weight banging off the bottom of the bed. You know, you can really feel him bite, and I hooked him. That was so cool. He was a pretty fish too. Oh man, that just takes your mind off everything. What was I talking about? So alright, on the hunt for this big fish here. Try to get him before we get out of here for the night. 1 or 2 more casts and we'll call it a night. I had something out there and he fucking got off. Alright, so first day fishing, first time fishing in probably, I don't even know, since a young boy. Long time ago. Maybe like here and there when I was in my 20s, early 30s, but definitely not within the last 7 years. And so that was my first time and I liked it a lot. So definitely going to be something we're going to be doing on the channel a lot more. So get used to it, guys. And you know, hopefully, you know, we could get through this trial nonsense and all this craziness with this girl. And you know, I really just want to be done with it. And I just want to move on and be done with it. So hopefully this is all resolved by next week as far as anything that I'm involved with it. And man, it's just been a complete mess, headache for months and months. And coming out here and clearing my head like this, it was just definitely the move. And now I know I have something that I really enjoyed, a way to, you know, besides lifting weights or whatever, to, you know, just another thing to add to your arsenal of stuff to do. And you know, out here it's big, it's fun, there's lots of lakes and among the other stuff to do, and really starting to like it out here. It's really starting to grow on me, Iowa is, and I like it a lot. And so yeah, man, so more content for the channel, fishing, and so let me guys know what you think. And that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Like, share, subscribe. I love you all.